Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add passengers to the Air China application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and tap on general information. Then tap on the plus icon in the passenger section, which is the first one at the top. Here you should add the passenger's last name, then first name, then the nationality should be selected too, as well as its gender and date of birth. Then the phone number, and you can attach the type of ID and ID number too. You can add frequent flyer and tap on the save button down below to save the details about the passenger. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.